Hi everyone, welcome to week 12 of Empirical Data. It's Empirical Minutes. This week I had a chance to check out a few great events in Melbourne that are reaching out to new coders. Reinteractive held an event called the Ruby on Rails InstallFest, and the awesome company Envato was nice enough to host the event. At the event, they helped us set up Ruby and Rails on our computers. We also had some resources to code and host our very own blog app on a website called Heroku. It's great because they had free pizza and about 6 or more mentors willing to help about 25 newbies run Ruby on Rails on their computers. Their tutorial was a great illustration of how powerful Rails can actually be, because I had no experience in coding my own web app. But at the end of the night, I had a local server running and a simple blog app storing blog posts and giving me features like editing, password verification, and design attribute tweaking, not twerking. The other event I got to check out was a co-working space outreach called Jelly. The goal of Jelly is to give people in the general public a taste of what co-working is all about. If you didn't know, co-working is like having a cafe to visit, but on steroids, because you actually pay rent on a desk every month. Different facilities have different resources, but they generally have similar resources that you'd find in any standard office. This week, Jelly was hosted by the co-working space called Electron Workshop. It had standard desks and outlets anyone would want to have, but they also had a ping pong table, espresso machine, drink fridge, and awesome people to hang out with. I met Jane, who writes her own blog called coworkingiscool.com. If you want to learn more about it, you should check it out. I'm famous, by the way. I made it into one of her blog posts, and she wrote about her experience at the Electron Workshop. One last thing, I set up a stand-up desk to see if I can stop getting fatter. I found coding can make it hard to stay active, so I'm testing things out to stay healthy, but more on this later.